Welcome to the Autoverse, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're taking a closer look at the iconic 1954 Citroën Traction Avant, a car that revolutionized automotive design and engineering in its time. The 1954 Citroën Traction Avant is a classic that stands out for its combination of advanced technology and striking looks. This muscle car was revolutionary for its era, being one of the first production vehicles to feature front-wheel drive and a unitary body, a design that removed the need for a separate chassis. It is powered by a 1.9-liter inline-4 engine that produces around 60 horsepower, which may not seem powerful by today's standards, but was more than enough for its time. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience, particularly when cruising on the open road. The looks of the 1954 Traction Avant are timeless, with its flowing, sleek body lines that are both elegant and bold. Its distinctive rear wheel arches, long hood, and chrome details give it a unique presence. The car's low-slung profile and elegant curves make it a standout even in modern times. The design elements, such as the wide front grille and thin headlights, give it a refined yet aggressive stance, setting it apart from the typical muscle cars of the era. It was built with a strong focus on comfort and stability thanks to its innovative suspension system, which was ahead of its time. Inside, the 1954 Citroën Traction Avant combines French luxury with practicality. The interior is spacious, offering leather seats and a minimalist dashboard with the essentials. It features wood trim, soft upholstery, and large windows that provide an airy, open feeling inside the cabin. Despite its age, the car exudes a sense of sophistication and elegance, making it a delightful experience for those lucky enough to drive it. As for the price, the Citroën Traction Avant, being a classic, can vary widely based on condition and restoration. On average, prices for a well-maintained example of this 1954 model can range from $20,000 to $40,000 or even higher, depending on the rarity and originality of the vehicle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the 1954 Citroën Traction Avant, don't forget to give us a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the Autoverse for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Keep exploring the past, present, and future of the automotive world with us.